Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Apple TV app problem loading content. So this particular error is usually caused by the unstable internet. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to go to your settings. In your settings, you just have to look for the option of network. When you are inside the network, simply look for the option of test connection. Now, if it is slow or unstable, you can just simply restart your router. You can also switch to a different Wi-Fi, or you can use Ethernet if possible. Streaming applications need stable internet connection and not just the connected Wi-Fi. Now, temporary glitches can also cause the loading issues. So you can just simply double press the TV button on your remote, then swipe up on the Apple TV app to close it. After that, you just have to simply reopen it, and this particular step also refreshes the app without restarting the whole system. Now, sometimes the outdated softwares can also cause the loading related errors. So in order to fix it, simply go to the settings again. In the settings, this time look for the option of system. Inside the system, look for the option of software update. When you are inside the software update, simply click on the option of update software. Now, when you see any of the updates available, you just have to basically click on the option of install. Then you need to install the latest update. Also, make sure that the Apple TV app is updated if you are using it on another device. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your Apple TV is now loading properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.